Hi everyone, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do the forward single beat figure 8, which looks like this. So the first part of this trick is just going to be your grab on the star. You're going to grab between the 2 points and get a good firm hold. From there, you're going to hold your arm out to the side of your body and leading with the side of the star that's on your thumb. You're going to use momentum to swing the star towards your body and then up and over the outside of your arm. So right there. From here, you're going to roll your wrist back and your palm, in this position, your palm is going to be facing upward. But you're going to roll your wrist back and then down in front of you. So back behind you and down in front. Like that. So when you connect the two together, you're going to be going from the outside in over the back of your arm and then back behind over the front. And then you're just going to try and practice connecting those two motions. And you're going to feel the weight of the gravity in front of your arm and behind your arm. And this is the forward single beat figure 8 trick. It's a great foundational move for other parts of your flow. It's part of the around the world trick. It's a good trick to know to do a behind the back toss. If you're comfortable doing a reverse figure 8, you can do that and then go into a forward figure 8 on the other side. So it's just a great foundational move. A lot of artists use it all the time. So I really hope this tutorial helped. It's the forward single beat figure 8. I'm Arianne and thank you for watching today's tutorial. We'll see you next week.